Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be talking today and giving some update about the GUMMY token on Solana, the meme coin that's making a lot of noise. The FOMO is kicking, guys. The FOMO is kicking. Fear of missing out. Everybody is talking about this token and asking themselves, can I go in now or wait until the price drop a little bit? Then I will go in, because this token has a lot of potential in the future. So first, guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you the project I'm participating in. It's your decision, it's your money. I'm not asking anybody to buy this token. It's your decision. So before you buy anything, do your own research. It's a meme coin, a high risk, high reward. So for the new guys that they don't know what's GUMMY, it's a 420 wheat gummy bear ready to take the Solana ecosystem by storm in a world where crypto often take itself too seriously. GUMMY bursts onto the scene, here to prove that sometimes the sweetest return come from not sweating the small stuff. So guys, this is 100% community token, because the team and the founder has 0%. This is the contract. If you'd like to buy, like I said, I'm not asking anybody to buy. Just do your own research before you can buy this token. Okay, if you didn't claim your airdrop, it's still going, the airdrop for the guys that participate in the first airdrop, because the second airdrop, you can farm now your token like this. You can farm point to get tokens in the future, because this second airdrop, the farming point starts Sunday, last Sunday. So they didn't say when they're gonna airdrop tokens for the new second airdrop. I will let you know as soon as I know, guys. Like, that's why I'm asking you guys to subscribe and like this video. Like this, you will be the first to know the latest update about this project and the future project I'm talking about. So let's go here. Like I said, if you would like, if you didn't claim your token, it's still time to claim. You just have to click on this link and it's gonna go to another link. If you would like step-by-step how to participate in the airdrop and how to claim your token, you can go to my channel. I made a video step-by-step how you can participate on the airdrop and how you claim your token. So let's go to the DEX tools. You can see here today is trading at 0.12. It's down 27% because people, almost the holders, they got the airdrop, so they've been holding it for a while, and now because people are selling, they think that, I don't know, it's not a financial advice, they think that the price will go more deeper. For me, I'm keep holding it. I got free tokens, I keep holding it. I believe in this project and I think it will do good in the future, and I will let you know why it will do good in the future. This is just my opinion, guys. It's not a financial advice, because this token, it just started what, 5 days ago, and it has a lot of holders. You can see here 53,000 people in here, and there is more holders on 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 bluefin.com, because it's listed on 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and now it's been listed yesterday on a big exchange, MEXC. So it has a lot of holder on DEXTool, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and EMXC. Sorry guys. And there is more exchanges to come, because like I told you guys before, they've been contacted with 6 exchanges, central exchanges, to list this token. And there is a new exchanges coming. Let's talk about the price first, and then I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen in the future here. The market cap is a 123 million, and I share with you this token when it was only 30 million, 20 million, and now is 123 million, and it went all the way to 240 million already. You can see here, look, it's trending #1 now, because there is a lot of hype, a lot of people talking about this. You can go here on YouTube and you can see here, this is my videos. I show you here step by step how to participate on the airdrop. And here I told you all the updates about the token. If you follow my channel, you will get the latest update. This is the guy behind this token. It's called 𝗢𝗙𝗙𝗜𝗔𝗟. He has a lot of, he's a famous YouTuber. He has a lot of followers, over 700,000 people following him. And there is a lot of YouTubers talking about this token. It's getting more hype day after day. Everybody start talking about it. That's why I'm seeing a potential on it, because the token is a community. If you have a strong community, you have a strong token. So I believe it will go up. I don't know when. Today, tomorrow, you never know. But I'm holding it for the future. You can see dog with hat. It just launched December, and now it reached $4. Is there a possibility this token can reach $1, $2, $3, $4? Yes, guys, because it has a low market cap, and it can go up, because what their goal you can see here on their Twitter. First, they want to go to a 1 billion. You can see here destination 1 billion. That's what they're looking for, and from there they're gonna go more and more. And you can see here the 24 volume trading is 14 million, and it just launched 5 days ago. You can see here it launched on April 20th. So there is a lot of FOMO about this token right now. Let's go here to their Twitter and see what's the latest update. You see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. These guys, they're not sleeping, they're working. They're creating a staking platform. And like I said before, they're not gonna just stop here. They're gonna launch more tokens. And by holding and getting GUMMY, you can get more tokens in the future. Free airdrop. You see here the first challenge: stake GUMMY and get baked. So they will be airdropping this free token called baked if you have GUMMY and you stake it to the platform. And this starting May 7 and ending June 7. So you will have 1 month to stake your GUMMY to get this new meme coin again. And you can see here, this is a huge exchange listing confirmed 29 April. So 4 days from now, it's gonna be listed on a new big exchange. The only thing I don't like about this, they don't say which exchange it will be listed on, because AMXC, they didn't say. They do like this. This just says use exchange listing common, confirm it, and then after that we know that it's AMXC. Like this, I think it's better if they said which one is gonna list on like this, people can make deposit on that exchange to buy this token at lunch, or at least sending some gummy there for the lunchtime. They can sell it there and make some profits. And always, guys, take some profits. If you see this gummy is pumping, take some profit, because meme coins go up and down fast. So first, like I said, this token is gonna be listed on more exchanges. It's building a staking platform where you can stake gummy and get this baked. And I believe there is 2 more meme coins coming. We can scroll here down. I'm gonna show you, because they're talking about the staking platform before, and you can see here there is a lot of posts, and you can see the engagement. Everybody's liking and tweeting. That's how you know this token has a lot of hype. And before I forgot, guys, there is a lot of scammers here on Twitter. So don't connect your wallet in a link that you don't know nothing about it. I like this so far. They said, I wish I bought gummy. This is Pepe. So let's scroll down. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, scroll down. Oh, here. This is the one I'm talking about. You see here, you're going to need to stake some gummy to get baked, retarded, and mushies. So this is the future token they will be launching. So I don't know if they're gonna do I don't believe they're gonna do a pre-sale. It's gonna be all airdrops. So the main reason that you have to get gummy is to get more airdrops, more free token in the futures. And now, because they have their second farming point for the airdrop, it's ongoing. And like I said, if you don't know how to participate in the airdrop, just go to my channel and watch the previous videos. It's easy to do it. It's not that complicated to participate in the airdrop. So guys, this is the latest info and the update about this token. So if you would like more information about this token, and if you have any question, just drop me a comment, and you're gonna find all the links you need for this token in my description box. So to not miss this opportunity and the future opportunity, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and like these videos. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on the next video.